Morning. Let's move on now. US President Donald Trump has vowed to retaliate against Iran for a purported assassination plot against a US ambassador. Trump has vowed a response, and I quote, he says, 1,000 times worse against Iran. Trump's tweet comes in light of press reports that say that Iran may be planning an assassination or other kind of attacks against the United States, apparently in retaliation for the killing of Qasem Soleimani, the former general of Iran's Revolutionary Guards. According to US officials, the Islamic Republic is still looking to avenge the death of Soleimani. US intelligence reports say that the Iranian government is weighing an assassination attempt against the American ambassador to South Africa. The news of the plot comes as Iran continues to seek ways to retaliate against the United States and, of course, against US President Trump's decision to kill the revered Iranian general earlier this year. And if such an attempt was to be carried out, it could dramatically raise the already serious tensions between the US and Iran. There would be enormous pressure on Trump to strike back, most likely in the middle of a tense election season. Intelligence reports say that the US officials have been aware of such a plot against the United States ambassador to South Africa, Lana Marks, since spring. US officials believe that the intel about the threat to the ambassador has become more specific in recent weeks. The Iranian embassy in Pretoria is said to be involved in the plot as well. The former general of Iran's Revolutionary Guards and its Special Ops branch, the Quds Force, Qasem Soleimani, was assassinated by a US drone strike in January. At the time, US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said that the US killed Soleimani to re-establish deterrence against Iran. Iran has now reacted to Trump's threat, saying that any strategic action by the United States will be met with a decisive response from Iran.
We hope that they do not make a new strategic mistake, and certainly in the case of any strategic mistake, they will witness Iran's decisive response.